water district namin. We've had this problem since 2015 or 2014 and it still persists up to this day. Amir says na araw-araw around 10 to 11 a.m. lang nagkakaroon ng tubig sa mga gripo namin. At usually nawawala na siya ng 10 p.m. onwards. Kaya yung problem nila, they would need to mag-iipon na yung tubig araw-araw. So how do we address this issue of lack of water?
Pwede ka mag-sponsor.
Sige po.
Hindi po ako kandidato, but I think isang primary confusion ng mga tao that because it's water supply, I live in a locality, tatanungin ko yung local officials ko. But the reason Prime Water and other like Maynila and Ayala get a contract to supply water in a particular locality is because they get control of the local water districts. And local water districts, even if there's a word local in their name, they are actually under a local water board na national. So there's a board in every local water district. They vote kung kanina nila ibibenta yung prangkisa. Doon ang kukuha yan ng mga likes of Prime Water. And then I guess ito yung one of the areas of governance where it's really important that the residents tell their mayors or local officials na we don't want that, huwag mo ibebenta yung boards or huwag natin ibebenta sa private or singilin mo yung private concessionaire. So yun lang, parang sana meet the local officials sa akin kasi like, you know, so paano nila habulin ng private businessman na binigyan ng national body ng power over a basic commodity like that. So I think the answer is singilin natin si Prime Water because I understand that in other localities, problema din nila yung Prime Water na pag naging concessionaire, nahihirapan sila sa supply ng water. And maybe you can also recall the story that we did a few years ago when some mayors ay pumayag silang kunin ng Tagaytay yung supply ng tubig sa water. Can you tell us about that? And I mean, di ba na in-uphold ng in-stop ng Supreme Court, di ba yung so,
but siguro more for even if may problems with the private, there are certain dynamics that are beyond control. Sometimes in local governments, still is there a way for the provincial government to at least help alleviate the suffering of Cavite which must deal with this water shortage?
For the governor, I think my role here is to help the mayors with their decisions and what we can do to help. So if there's a case where, for example, it's private water, then the conversation needs to be had with private water. Now, if I have to be involved and speak with the mayor, then of course I'm willing to help them, help our residents.
Marami ng time to live. We have a surface water, residential with the Maynila. And we have one equal to the nasa ilalim ng mga underground na nasa surface. Kung napuputulan mo, kaya kung nawawala mo sila sa kanyang tubig, ibig I think it's important the service. Service na binibigay ng mga concessionaire. For example, Manila, nakataputulan kaya meron ka ng service. Sabi, meron sila problema. But not the water itself. It's the service. Now, ano magagawa ng local official? Province level o gano'n. Yes, kausapin ang mga concessionaire, make sure na magbigay sila na huwag magkaroon ng interaction ng water supply. Ganun lang natin.
Or for consider natin ng Congress, i-revisit yung division ng powers sa mga ganito. Malayong batas na yun.
Nagaling natin sa mga kadyan to. Hindi mo pa nasusubukan. Bilis kung naman tanong. Nandito ka sa ganyan. Pero kasi I've been been in the community several times as a homeowners president. And we managed to yung aming sariling water system. So, yun nga, nagkakaproblema dahil sa, yun, hindi ko this is set this, pagdandawa na din set. Kasi yung water very marami. Although, meron tayo ngayong batas na parang dinidiscourage na yung underwater kasi medyo nakakasira na nakalikasan. But that is still, you will, matagal na yun, use pa, para naman mapapagay. Pero, again, small on the settlers and the local officials siguro, obligated lang yung mga water processing na huwag nilang mabayaan